Well, hello. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jeremy Bonaparte Hasudungan Nuban Tobing. You can call me Jeremy. So, currently I'm a grade 12 student in Kinderveld Highfield School, Depok. In the University of Prasetya Mulia, I decided to join the branding major and bachelor degree program. So, the reason behind I decided to choose this major is to show my creativity, my skills, my personality, and my impact to the society. An innovation can be defined as a solution, a cure, or an answer to solve the problem. So, the innovations that I want to make is to popularize Artworks products from micro, medium, small enterprises. Or in bahasa Indonesia, we can say it mempopulerkan hasil karya seni dari UMKM. So in order to make this innovation succeed in the future, I come up with several ideas. In those ideas, I can make it into 3 main solutions. So for the first solution, I decided to make a digital platform. A digital platform can also be explained or described as a website. We all know there are a lot of famous websites or applications that promote a lot of products such as Shopee, Tokopedia, Bukalapak, and many more. And I come up with an idea, how about we make the same thing to promote the UMKM products, artworks, such as maybe batik, sculptures, ulos, and many more. Okay, that's for the first solution. How about for the second one? So, for the second one, I have an idea to create a collaborations. What does it mean by collaborations? So, I invite people from different backgrounds, such as college students, influencers, designers, artists, and many more. So, I want them to work together with me in order to make this innovation succeed, such as promoting their products together, such as creating events, such as galleries, exhibition, booth, so they can promote their product over there, and also they can present their product, share their stories. So the long term is that the society slowly will know what does it mean by artworks that has been made by UMKM or MSMEs in English. That's for the second solution. How about the third one? Those solutions will be failed if there is no long-term plan. So the long-term plan that I have in my mindset, in all the research that I've done before, I believe that a sustainable business ecosystem is required. So I need to make a routines, continuous collaboration, continuous improvement, such as improving the events, the promotion strategy. But remember, promotions are not enough. The quality of the product is also required. How come consumers can trust us if the product quality were bad? So the third solution is how to improve the promotion strategy, how to make the consumer trust rising, and the quality. That's it. Okay, so for the experience in competitions and also in organizations, well, I have several experience, such as I win the newscasting. So basically, this newscasting competitions is improving my skills in public speaking. So I present about the topic of a certain news, and I won it 2 times. On grade 10, I got the 3rd place, and for the grade 11, I got the 2nd place. Not only newscasting competitions, I also won competitions such as math. On grade 11, I also won an award in American Mathematics Olympiad, where I received a honorable mention. Not only competitions, I also have experience in the organization. So in school, the school at that time make an event, the event that is mandatory that every student must to join. So the event is the entrepreneurship program in order to develop the students' entrepreneurship skills. And on that time, I'm working on the promoting divisions, and also I work as a financial manager, where I'm helping my team to promote our products which is on that time our product is food and beverage. And also I'm working as a financial manager to calculate the amount of spending and also the amount of revenue that our team obtained. So, why I decided to choose branding as the major in University of Prasetya Mulia? Well, that's a good question because I believe that branding is one of the best major in Prasetya Mulia from the information that I got. So, I think like this, if that's the best major in the Prasetya Mulia University, then I need to join it because I want to be successful like the previous generation that has joined that kind of major. I want to show Prasetya Mulia that I'm a right student, I'm a right college student in the future. I will show them that later I will become a successful person too, like the previous generation did. Why? Why I deserve the scholarship? No. I don't want to convince you, no. I just want to show you that I can do it. I believe that Prasetya Mulia can guide me to achieve my full potential of myself. So I can gain my full potential. And by joining this scholarship program, I believe this is one of the best steps for me to become more impactful, to develop my skills, to motivate me to become better. And you know what? The other reasons that I want to join this scholarship program because I also want to make my parents proud. You know, my parents work so hard. They work so hard to give the best education access as possible for me. And also, by joining the scholarship program, I got inspired by the hard work that has been done by one of the founding fathers of Prasetya Mulia University. And guess what? Who is he? It's him. Yeah, I'm not trying to promote this book, but I really got inspired from this man, William Soryajaya. Yes, his dedication, his hard work to build the empire of Astra International really inspires me. If he can succeed to build that empire, then I believe in the future I also can become a successful person too. And I believe one of the steps to become a successful person is by attending this selection of scholarship program. Contribution to campus and community after graduation. Well, we cannot predict the future, but I believe one day after I graduate or before I graduate, I can make a successful business that create a positive impact towards the society. Maybe I can make the innovations that I've explained to you before become real. But yeah, I think that's one of my aim, to create a positive impact towards small to medium scale businesses. Because we all know in Indonesia, the level of poverty is still high. And I think one of the best solutions to help the community, the people of Indonesia to become more prosperous, to become better, is by helping them. By doing that kind of innovations that I've explained to you before. And that's one of my biggest aim when I graduate from Prasetya Mulia University. Or before I graduate, I hope I can make it become real. Not only the story that I've explained in PowerPoint or in this video, but I make it real. I'm not just talking, but I do the action. My parents teach me how to become a good person, good personality, trust to God, hardworking, and show your best. That's the values that my parents teach to me. My mother is a housewife, and my father is a retired man that worked as an employee in a palm oil company. And as a conclusion from this video, I wish the best for young scholar Indonesia and Prasetya Mulia to accept me as one of the best candidates to receive the scholarship program. I wish the best for them. I also want to say thank you for the time.